Installing a RAID flash power module. Note, the location of RAID flash power modules varies according to the server hardware configurations. Installing a RAID flash power module on the air baffle. Open the retention clip on the holder. Press the RAID flash power module down to secure it into the holder. Connect the RAID flash power module to an adapter with the extension cable that comes with the RAID flash power module. Installing a RAID flash power module on the middle drive cage. Put the RAID flash power module into the holder and press it down to secure it. Reconnect the RAID flash power module cable. Align the holes in the metal cover with the pins on the holder. Pull out the blue latch on the cover and slide the cover into the holder until the pins pass through the holes. Install the rubber onto the cover of the holder. Press the latch and close the handle. Install the top cover.